On this video today, I share with you how to bake and decorate a soft chocolate cake. Hey, this is what you are interested to see. Come with me, let's get right into the video. First step on this cake, I'll go ahead and grease my pan. You can do it with butter, with cake spray. Once you are done, just sprinkle a floss on it. Take up the excess. The first one was the butter, the second one was the cake spray. So you put it aside. I have already on my oven. Before you start, make sure you on your oven. I'll go ahead and crack my eggs. So if you have this cake mixer, you can use it. If you don't have this, you can use whisk. It will only take more of your time. With this 5 minutes, I am done. Do this until it doubles in size and the color will becomes white, just like what you are saying. The next one, I will add sugars to it. Feel free to share the description box for the everything I'm using, for the ingredients and the measurement will be right there for you. I'll go ahead and add olive oil to it. If you can have access to olive oil, is the best making a chocolate cake. After about 2 minutes, I'll go ahead and add milk to it. Mix it a little and stop it also. I'll add the vanilla flavors to it. Before I will take in the flour straight to the same bowl, I will go ahead and add a baking powder, a pinch of salt. I will mix it. I will sieve it before adding it directly to it. I will add a cocoa powder to it. The essence of doing this so that it will be, your cake will be free from any lumps on that will be on it for a better result. At this point, I am now working with a low speed. So once it's fully ready, guys, I will scrape the edges like this. So the last but not the least, I will go ahead and add a hot water to it. The help of the hot water, it will dissolve the cocoa powder that is on it completely. At this point, it's 100% okay. Remember that I on my oven from the beginning. So before you take it straight to the oven, you must remember to do this. Heat your cake so that there will not be a hole at the down. After 45 minutes, guys, it's ready. I allow it to cool down. But before I will go ahead and decorate it, there is something I need to do. You must not skip it. If you want a soft chocolate cake, this that I'm about to do goes a long way. So with the help of this film paper, I'm going to double cross it. Take it straight again to the pan. So once I make a hole at the middle, I will add milk. I'll put a sufficient milk like what you are saying. Once I am done, I will not use it immediately. I'm going to use it the next day. I'll go ahead and do the second one the same. I'll cover it. I'll take both to the fridge. So this one is towards evening. I will make use of it the next day. So we are done with that. So this is the nata I'm going to be using. So if you have this cake mixer, wonderful. But if not, it doesn't stop you of baking your cake or decorating your cake, guys. Use whisk, you'll see arrive at the same results. So this is the next day of it. The cake is already out from the oven. Sorry, from the fridge. And to all my returning subscribers, you guys are really wonderful and amazing. From the bottom of my heart, I truly appreciate you all for tuning in again. May God bless you all. You guys are really wonderful. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, you are highly welcome to this humble family. Please go ahead and turn the notification bell. Subscribe if you have not done so. Both the old and new, turn the notification bell. That is the only way you can get a lot of our new video. For the filling, guys, I'm using strawberry. You can use anything that you love or anything that your client, if it's your client, what your client asks you to use, that is exactly what you should use. So this one that I am doing is for clients, so this is exactly what it requested. If you follow this simple method, oh my god, the cake, oh my gosh, I can't really describe it until you test it or until you try it yourself. It's really amazing. Always loved by everyone. You know, there are some party you go or some occasion, birthday, where there is cake that you go, you will eat, you want more of it. Once I am done, I will just gently take up the excess. So I'm going to make lines on it like this. But in case if you are not making lines on it, so you repeat it again until you see that it's perfectly smooth. So because I'm still seeing the trace of cake, I will still go ahead and close it again. Once I am done, I will take up the excess for the second time. You can do any design that best suits you. At this point, I am fully done with the first step of this cake decorations. So I'm using a small pipey bag. You can use big one, you can use medium, you can use small, anyone that is available for you. And other thing you need to know again, guys, so this one I'm doing now is a pure white. So in case if you are doing a colored one, what you just need to do, like the blue one that you are going to be seeing, all you just need to do before you take it straight to this piping bag, you take a portion out from it, and then you add a little bit of color, any color you desire to use. And if it's not sufficient, you can add more, but don't add too much from the beginning. Okay, you add it gradually. Once you add a little, you mixed it, you think there is a need for more, you add a little more again until you see that the color, you are okay with it. And once you are done, for the finishing part of it, you can put anything that you desire for the top. You can even leave it without putting anything, just how is best suits you. Okay, so I will go ahead and use some cake big to finish it, and everything that you are seeing here is just eatable. Guys, if you watch all to these points, in fact, I don't really know how to appreciate you. You are really wonderful. May God bless you. Remember to like the video. If you have learned anything on the video, remember to like, share amongst your friends. So see you soon again in another satisfying video. Bye bye.